Welcome back to the Clark Reliance YouTube channel. Today's topic, we're going to talk about low water cutout switches, and we're going to focus on our mechanical style float switches of that brand. The first one on my left here, in the 1950s we introduced a product, the REA 100 models. These were the REA 100D and 100S models. They were a mechanical style float switch. It was offset at a 45-degree angle here. It used a custom casting and a custom flange. They had 1-inch vertical connections that went in the top of the unit and the bottom of the unit. And when water dropped out of the boiler to an unsafe range, they would alarm and trip that boiler or shut off the fuel to it. Now, unfortunately, back in 2017, we had to obsolete these products. It was becoming very difficult to get the castings and the switch components that went along with them. At that time, we introduced the Levalarm Gold models. We introduced 3 different models of those. There is the 150, the 300, and then not shown is the 600 model. The 150 is rated to 200 PSI, the 300 is rated to 500 PSI, and the 600 is rated to 1000 PSI. Now, the differences in these models between our older historic design is that we use an ASME B16.5 flange that could use a standard off-the-shelf flange gasket. Now, these designs, they use a side connection and a bottom connection to connect the water and steam piping to these float switches. Now, we've listened to our customers and we've got some feedback, and we are very excited to release a new product today. So I would like to unveil our new REA 100F model. This new model is going to be 30 pounds. It's a very compact size. We've listened to a lot of customers with a lot of these being in the field and wanting to upgrade to a new mechanical float style switch. Repiping with the Levalarm Gold was difficult, so we wanted to make this very easy in transitioning from this product to this product, or for new customers as well. The size difference is very noticeable. The switch mechanism is a smaller float switch. You can see it's a positive interlocking magnet design in there. We've got a 1-inch top for the steam, 1-inch bottom for the water connection. The connections can use socket weld or NPT, and we have one model that does all the way up to 1000 PSI rating. Inside the switch mechanisms here, we have this unit. It is rated for UL 60730, which is a continuation of UL 353. This unit was tested 100,000 cycles continuously, and no failures were recorded in order to get that UL rating. It is a very robust and mechanical switch design with interlocking magnets. The positive magnet interlocking design provides outstanding mechanical reliability, and the robust 3/16" pivot pin will provide long-lasting performance. The float switch is offset from the connections as well, so blowdowns or checks of the system will not affect that blowdown pivot point right here. If you are interested in ordering the new switch, please contact your local Clark Reliance representative or a Reliance sales applications engineer today. These will also be available on our online parts store.